I like the field of systems engineering because it meant that I didn't have to choose a particular technical discipline that I had to work in, because I could work in all of them, and you get a massive diverse range of problems and every day is different. I'm Jessica Korzeniowska and I'm the trainer for Adventures in Systems Engineering. I've been a systems engineer for over a decade and I've worked in the space industry, nuclear fusion and a whole range of other industries. I became interested in systems engineering because I couldn't choose a particular technical discipline within my degree of spacecraft engineering, and I had a lecturer who introduced me to systems engineering and presented it that I would know a little bit about everything and get to technically manage projects, and that massively appealed to me. I became interested in training in science, technology, engineering and maths, or STEM, because I did a lot of STEM outreach when I was at university alongside my studies, and one summer I actually went and taught science at an American summer camp, and this was an incredible experience for me, and I learned that I had the skills and enjoyed teaching people in science and engineering. I've been working with Scarecrow for coming up 2 years now, and I knew that I wanted to go into training after working in a corporate engineering environment for a long time, and being with Scarecrow means that I'm able to do both consultancy and stay involved in engineering and also do the training work as well. I love the Netherlands. I even lived here for a year, so I'm very excited that Scarecrow has a partnership with the High Tech Institute and I can come here more often and deliver my training. We were starting to see that people who were going on the model-based systems engineering courses still needed a fundamental level of systems engineering, and that is what my course, the Adventures in Systems Engineering course, provides. Teaching is a lot of fun for me because I get to think about how I would have best learned something, and I get to make inventive learning games for people. I want to make it as engaging as possible. I get to meet a lot of people and I get to transfer knowledge onto the next generation of engineers. I got into engineering through using Lego and story, so I always try and incorporate some kind of practical aspect and a story thread through my training to have a more creative take on it. There are some studies done in America that showed that girls particularly, so an underrepresented group in engineering, responded to building and construction toys when there was a story involved. So I always try and make sure, like in Adventures, that there is a story all the way through to engage learners and present a different way of learning engineering material. So will you be joining us for our next Adventures in Systems Engineering course in Eindhoven?